Okay, welcome to this 30-second tutorial on how to do a loft in Autodesk Inventor. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is start a 2D sketch and then select one of your planes. Now, most normal looking shapes will work perfectly with the Loft tool. Sometimes when you get a little creative with the splines or the arcs, things might not work the way you want them to, but most shapes can loft to other similar shapes. So for example, if I create a rectangle, and I wanted to loft this to another shape, let me go ahead and turn on some additional planes in your origin folder. Click on the plus, and then turn on the plane that is parallel with the shape you just drew. I'm going to right click on that and turn on the visibility. And now I'm going to offset some additional planes. So I'm going to offset a plane over here, and I'm going to offset one more plane over here. Now to loft, we're going to need different planes because we're going to start and put different shapes on these. So maybe on this one, I'm going to create a circle. And then how about on the last one, I'm going to go ahead to the polygon tool and create a triangle. So we have three different shapes like so. And now I'm going to go to loft, click on that, and I'm going to go from rectangle to circle to triangle. If I hit OK, you're going to notice right away that it's able to loft those three shapes together. And that's pretty nifty. Now you can go further than this, and let me just undo this, and work with planes that are not all parallel with one another. So for example, if I chose this plane, let me turn on the visibility. I'm going to offset this plane by going to plane, offset from plane, and offsetting this one maybe over here, clicking OK, and then starting a sketch on this one. I'm going to draw, let's say, another circle about here, and finishing sketch. And now let's try to loft this. So this time we'll go from this circle to here, to here, to there. And if I press OK, you're going to notice that it was able to successfully loft all those shapes together. Now the cool thing about creating your own work planes is that you can double click on them, and if you do, an arrow is going to show up, and you can either adjust the number or move the arrow, and you can automatically adjust your loft to fit whatever project or whatever profile you're working with. But you cannot move the origin planes. So that's one of the downsides of working with a plane like this. You cannot move it. Okay, that was a 30-second tutorial on how to use the Loft tool. Hopefully you found it helpful. I will see you later. Peace.